Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the scene. Make a complete copy of the backup folder so you never overwrite the original, and update iTunes or Finder so tools behave predictably. Once done, check free disk space and fix file permissions because read/write errors cause corruption. Now open the backup folder and identify manifest, plist, and manifest. DB, these control the restore mapping. You'll need these files for diagnosis, so do not delete or alter them yet. Keep the copy handy for experiments. Next, diagnose the damage. Parse manifest. Plist to validate XML and open manifest. DB with SQLite 3 or a backup extractor to list file records. If files are listed but 0 bytes or sizes don't match, flag those as corrupt. Export the manifest tables to CSV so you can compare expected files versus disk contents. If the backup is encrypted, locate the keychain or the encrypted key file. Without that, you cannot decrypt. Once you've mapped corrupt items, plan targeted Finally, rebuild the backup. Restore corrupted files from your safe copy or extract them directly from the device using a tool, then update manifest. DB and manifest. Plist so checksums and sizes match. Repack the folder and perform a partial restore to the device to confirm success. Partial restores narrow failures. If the backup is encrypted, reapply the encryption key when repacking. Troubleshooting tip: if restores still fail, inspect iTunes/Finder logs for precise error codes, and consider creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.